I'm Paul Vanderloo, founder and CEO of Cogen Microsystems. Cogen Microsystems is the world leader in small-scale organic Rankine cycle heat engine technology. The heat engine is simple and low cost and can run efficiently on low temperature heat sources. This gives us a substantial advantage over competing technologies. Our commercial focus is to use this heat engine to supply electricity, home heating and hot water to homes using solar energy as the input. For winter and nighttime operation, we use natural gas and even biomass as a backup. Our first product is a micro-combined CHP or combined heat and power unit, which will provide heating for homes using evacuated tube solar collectors with natural gas backup. The unique organic Rankine cycle heat engine has two key benefits. The first is it enables the use of low temperature, low cost solar thermal collectors. This keeps the cost down and enables us to hit the price point which we need to be at to make this a commercial success. Secondly, the heat engine itself is very simple and cheap to manufacture, much cheaper than Stirling engines, which are commonly used in conventional micro CHP systems. These key competitive advantages are protected by 5 patents. The patents cover the core heat engine technology and also how you optimally integrate a heat engine into a home energy system. The current state of the art in providing home energy is gas-fired micro CHP. This is about putting a small power station in every home. This raises the energy efficiency from around 40% of a centralised power station to around 90% because the heat generated as a byproduct in electricity generation is used to heat the home rather than wasted. This is very effective, as in temperate climates, around 80% of a home's energy needs is for heating and hot water. Now, what we do is provide solar energy as an input to the micro CHP unit, and that allows us to deliver a further 30% gain in running costs, energy efficiency and CO2 emissions. Our integration of all the home energy needs and our smart grid interface allows the usage pattern of energy in the home to be optimised, and it also provides benefits to the electricity and gas utilities in terms of demand side management and timing of generation.
Cogen provides substantial benefits to all stakeholders in the energy supply chain. For the consumers, it reduces their annual energy costs and CO2 emissions by 30% compared to state-of-the-art condensing boilers and gas-led micro CHP systems. And our retail price of $11,000 means that the consumer avoids the large capital cost of purchasing and installing a separate system for their space heating, power and hot water needs. For the energy suppliers, Cogen displaces the peak generation and network infrastructure costs that they bear through a low risk and incremental technology that takes advantage of their existing fuel supply infrastructure. We also offer those energy suppliers a financing arrangement where the utility can actually finance the capital cost of the Cogen unit and then lease it to consumers. That allows the utility to accrue the benefits from our technology and also generate an income from leasing to the consumer. Boiler manufacturers are investing heavily into micro CHP systems and see our solar-led solution as being able to take advantage of their customers' enthusiasm for solar thermal products in the marketplace. And it can also be manufactured at a much lower cost for them. The Australian market for Cogen is around 120,000 units per year. If that level of market penetration would be achieved, we would be saving over 180 million tonnes of CO2 each year. In Europe, our product replaces those condensing boilers, where around 5 million units are sold each year. So our business model for Cogen then is to position it as a best-in-class technology supplier to those boiler and appliance manufacturers around the world. We're currently negotiating partnerships with heating and cooling companies as manufacturing and route to market partners. And here in Australia, we expect to close a deal with a listed home energy company, which will allow us to complete our commercialisation and begin manufacturing with a product launch in 2014.